Now again, I always talk about decision making. Mfana kithi. Awu mara Jehova. Awu mara uNkulunkulu thina sakwenzani? Sakwenzani? Pass the ball here. You want to play safe. Sifuna ukuyokora ndoda. There's space here. You telling me this guy akhona ukudlala ibhola first time? Sanibonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Bafana 1, Panama 2. When I'm wearing black most of the time, just know Guti, I'm not happy. I'm not happy because of the planning and tactical adjustment. Hugo Bros is poor when it comes to tactical adjustment. But now, planning for the World Cup, right? If we go back to AFCON, you brought the two young stars, Europe. Where are those players now? Why did you bring them to AFCON? Now, sharp. These players obabizile manje for a national team. How many of them did you really have a look at them? Are they really good enough to play for Ibafana Bafana? You are just playing the trusted players. You said Guti, or Hugo Bros said Guti, the responsibility the coach is Sundowns to rest our players with Sundowns. What if he doesn't rest them and then they are fatigued for a World Cup? Or let's say by Alimal, what are you going to do? Because we don't know Uguti Machuludi is strong enough to compete at international level. Then the left back as well. Those players could have been given a chance. You can't tell me Uguti you give a player 20 minutes or 30 minutes at this level. No, you need to give players a proper chance. Give them even 45 minutes, one match. You can't be playing a player Fanayo Njalo. We all know what are these players capable of. Now, sharp tactical adjustment. Okay, perfect. Let's start. Now, I'm gonna start with the previous game, right? I'm gonna show you what proper coaches do when they prepare for a tournament, right? This was the first game. The first game, Panama played a 5-4-1. A 5-4-1. Yeah? These are the five at the back. Just watch. Just watch. They played a 5-4-1 yeah, in the first game. See, now we play the same system. Whether things are bad or whether things are good, we play the same system. A 4-4-1-1. These are the four midfielders. Yeah? When the ball goes there, that guy will press there. He's gonna press here. This guy does not stay there, or no, he does not press this guy. You'll see this one will go and press Lapaya. Watch, he goes and press there. These are the four in the middle. That was the first game. Now the second game. Watch. From kickoff, right? It's the 5-2-3. It's 5-2-3. So these guys, Zonbonisa second half, what they were doing, they push forward. It's a very dangerous formation to play, system to play, right? Whether attacking or defending, you just need Tina Asiko Slim. We are not that smart. We are not that smart. Our coach, yeah, I know. Hi Hugo. Just keep on watching. You'll see that formation because that's what proper coaches do. You recognize Uguti. the team le idlala kanjani, then you make adjustment, right? Bapressa in front three, these are the two midfielders. Did we make adjustment? We didn't make any adjustment in this game. Remember what I said, this guy will push when the ball goes there. Press with three. See, I lose the ball. Did we make any adjustment? We are going to the World Cup. You only play one formation. Wednesday in AFCON, the last game against Cameroon, just came in with a new formation, which was a good one, a good tactic. But now, if you go to the World Cup, what are you going to do? You're going to do the same thing. You're going to play a different formation. Abangayaz, this was the chance for you to give players a chance to play a different formation, a different tactic. Sorry to disturb you guys. Remember last year I said I'll be doing a player analysis, right? That's only for memberships, people who are members, right? If you are a member, you can request which player do you want me to do a player analysis. Please join, guys. It's only 15 rand, or the first level is 15 rand. The startup package is 15 rand. Yes, I know, Buffet to times are tough. We live in a bad economy, right? But it's 15 rand. Please join. Please become a member. Extra content, right? Extra content for members only. I'll be posting exclusive content for our members only. Now, please continue watching. The Panama system, right, or the formation 5-2-3. Sometimes it is a 3-4-3, right? It is very dangerous if you are playing against a smart team or smart players. Let me show you. When it comes to the central defenders, that's the only position where we are good for the next 5 or 8 years. We have very good central defenders. Now watch. Ball goes to the left. Now you have our winger is here. What are you doing there, Mpanagiti? We have our winger here and we have our right back la. Our right back is here. The thing isn't up. Our right back is here. Our winger is here. Now let's play. There is no player Eguma have 10 positions, right? Hugo Bros does not like those players. He wants to. That's why if you go back to the AFCON that we did well, you must look at the wingers that played in those AFCONs. They were not playing Guma half 10. Now, there's only one person in the middle. So if he gets the ball and turns, there's no one as a combiner naila. There's no one as a combiner naila. You see, there's no one here. Now, our right back, Segafunu join la, which is not supposed to be his job, right? He was supposed to be here, but he's not delicious. Ushachwa is not delicious. I don't know why they brought him back to national team, because Nangula ufunu kitchen for in decision making with Ipolalile. Let me tuck in. Ball goes back. What does he do here? He tucks in. Good. Look what happens. Now we are fighting for the ball. We win the ball. Now again, I always talk about decision making. Mfana githi. Mangikhuluma kube ngathi sometimes mina abantu ngiyabakhuluma kabi when I say decision making is we have a chance to go and score whenever you want to dribble. One thing that favors, I'm favor, but one thing that Hugo Brosan in Clan, he's got players that sometimes they make an adjustment for themselves. Baslim, just watch this. Watch Umukwena here, because you still have the midfielder. The ball is going to the left, and the right winger still staying there, still staying la. Okay, sharp. But now just watch this. Mfukeng siyathena wenzani, he moves. He doesn't stay here because there's space la. Angithi these two are still stuck la, ne? Sharp. But now decision making mfana kithi. Good idea. It was a good idea, but the execution was bad. Guys, in football, you need to know the players that you play with. Player it doesn't have the pace, and man him passa phambili, you make him look bad. He doesn't have the speed to chase that ball. Instead of Mokoena, this is 2 against 1. Should have passed the ball here. You pass the ball here, still see a continue. You go. He's gonna bring it back. Ageko delicious. He's not going to score from here. He's not delicious. He was going to give you the ball back. We are a team that likes to play the ball. Combination play. There's one good move that we did in the first half. When we pass the ball, we are dangerous. When we pass the ball, we are dangerous. We could have played the ball here, but remember Hugo Brosutain? Yeah, he could have kicked the ball out. Okay, there's nothing wrong. He passes the ball. Protect. Pumile. We are out. Mara. Small details. Football is a game of small details, guys. He crosses the ball. He passes the ball here instead of here. Because I don't know yini ayibonile. I don't know yini ayibonile ukuthi aphasele than here. Because you look at what Ulail does, ne? They don't let defender le. Huh? And he looks up. He does look up. It's just that maybe from there, you won't see. He does look up and he does see him. But he decides, I'm going to play it here. Even if he played it there, ball blocker, it was going to be a corner kick. Try that. Then we'll be saying, we are a team that likes to combine. Pa. Niga. Munika, utakunika. Da. We are a team that likes to play, a team that likes to combine. I don't think Hugo Bros understands that. I'm gonna play it and then I'm gonna bring it back, you know? I want you to focus on these two. Most of the players that score a lot of goals is because they want the goal. They are hungry for the goal. Go back and if you don't know Mabuti Kanyeza, go back and just Google him and look at most of his goals. They are not beautiful goals. It's because he wanted to score those goals. Now, these two, are you hungry enough? Do you really want the goal? You look at these two. Okay. Bambambile. But now he's not doing anything to show Guti Reverie Bayang Bamba. Then Umuremi, recognize the space, my brother. Recognize the space. How hungry are you to score the goal? Yeah? Make the run there. We are watching the ball. We are watching, we are hoping. Une hope. Umandoza wenu. Sane hope. Go to the spot. Go there. In both games, right? The previous one and liaison. Our best chances, we got them because we won the ball in the middle, right? Break attack or counter attack depends good way. Let me show you in the first game. The first game, 1-1, right? pa salwini ibhola. We should have scored. We should have scored in this game. Now let me show you the game last idliwa khona. Nakya pa ta, yes. Awu mara Jehova, awu mara nkulunkulu thina sakwenzani? Sakwenzani? You will never make it. You are not going to the World Cup. This guy is not going to the World Cup. Uhlongwane is not going to the World Cup. He's never been good internationally. Oh, you will never make it. You will never make it to the World Cup. With that touch, Ulisale, you will never make it. At international level, you will never make it. Second half, guys. Remember the Panama coach, right? 2 games, 1 team, but he made a formation I2. He made adjustment. Now, did we make adjustment? We didn't. Second half in this game, Panama was all over us, right? Because, like I said, Guti, the 5-2-3 or the 3-4-3 system, it is dangerous when you are playing against a smart team. But if you are not playing against a smart team, it is dangerous forward because you stretch them, right? You have to. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Now, this is Umuremi, right? This is Umuremi. Now they have one guy that's let's say is a wing back, right? The one the 5 at the back. Now he is here. He is stretching the Bafana team. Now what does he do? He polariza la. But now he is free. Okay, sharp. There is nothing wrong. There is no danger if he's here because I pitang ball. Now there is danger. Good defending. Hang it sharp. Ball comes back. Ball comes back. This is the other one. Lowest 5. Hang it. It's the left full back, right? Wing back. Sorry, left wing back. Now look at this. Remember Ngiti by 5, right? When I say by 5, these are the 2 guys. This is the one, and then this is the other one. These 3 are the 3 attacking players. This guy is a midfield. Ngiti. This is a midfielder. This is a midfield. Now what happens is they will stretch you. If you are not a smart team, they will stretch you. You need to know how to defend. Now watch. Look at the one center back, Nombugas, right? Akon, Nombugas. What are you doing? He doesn't know what he is supposed to do. Goes in late. Unfortunately for Bona, this touch was bad. But it was one thing. I'm just showing you this one clip. What they did to us in the second half. Just stretch the ball. Stretch the ball. Because we don't know how to communicate. Now we don't make adjustment to information. Yeah. Tina, whether iyanimvula, whether indlu ingenwa amanzi, whether indlu yasha, we don't do anything. Siyahlala nje, continue whatever that's happening. Goal number 1. The goal le Panama. It was a free kick, right? And I always say, Uguti, avoid unnecessary free kick. Let's look, Uguti, was the free kick avoidable? A free kick was avoidable. Yeah? You always have to be aware. You have to be aware ukuthi kuphi kunobani emuva. Nomukwena la, he was not covering. because you're supposed to cover as a midfielder. You shield our defense. There was no need, Mfanagiti. There was no need. Now, we gave them an easy free kick, right? Can we defend the free kick? Can we defend the free kick? Defendile, but now, come on, Bafethu. Not that easily. I think Ushawe, this thing with him, you want to hold on to the ball. You want to keep the ball la. There's nothing wrong with it will keep it ngaphandle. Right? There's nothing wrong. But now, mina ngikhala ngento one. We win the ball first time. I always say you have to win the second ball. In dangerous areas, you have to win the first ball and the second ball. We can't allow the ball to bounce. You cannot. At this level, you can't let the ball bounce. Go to the ball. No matter push. Or just fake. But you have to go to the ball. We don't do that here. We let the ball bounce. We don't fight. Yeah? Bafethu. Aye. Abohlongwane kanti bebadla ini Natal. Noja ing Natal mfanakiti. Nosaji papa. Sugar. In most goals, like I always say, there's always a warning. The goal like Mbogazi, he won them before. Great shot, great save. I think clearly Begal Kela. I could have done better. La paya mshishi. First touch yakho mfanakithi beligcwele lihleli la phakathi nendawo. Okay, sharp. Let's defend. We defend. TLP. Manasseh. Lo mdala lo. Akekho umntwana omncane. Oh my God. Mdala lo. Akekho umntwana okhahlela ibhola, umntwana omncane okhahlela ibhola kanje. Lo mele sicheck i-ID yakhe. Mdala lo. So much power. Our coach is too predictable. We scored a goal and then wenzani wakhipha uAdams wafaka uSithole. Because why? Ufuna ukudlala i-draw. You know i-draw it's better than losing because of angithi manje siya ku World Cup. Abantu akumilanga bayo ukuthi sihlale sidliwe. You brought on uSithole. Sithole. At least there's one. He's a player that likes to play safe passes. And you can't play safe passes with Udlala clear. Bless me, sorry. Pass the ball here. You want to play safe. There's space here. You telling me this guy I couldn't play the first time? Sugar man, abo Sithole. Now we have to restart. Okay, sharp. Let's play. Great pass. I don't know Lapaya Guti was a decision making or Ushawe Bam. The skid of the ball. These pitches, you know, the rugby grounds. This stadium, the Loftus Stadium, the pitches are not good. They are not good, guys. Last goal, last clip. Right? Corner kick. Panama has 2. We have 2. They have 1 here. Umshishi Ukatela. Perfect. Right? Now, watch here. Okay, let's start here. There's 1, 2, 3. But Tina, we have 2. Whenever there's someone free in the box, it's a problem. Because if Ibola liya phuma, if bayalikhrossa maybe liyaphuma, that player that is bese liyabuye, let's say bese liyabuye, that player that is free uzoba yi-problem because akekho umuntu ommakile. Like we have 1, 2, 3 players that are not picking anyone. This guy is not being picked. This guy is not being picked. Laba bayenzeni bashaya zonal marking. But let me take it back. I want you to focus on this guy here or these two. At this level, the problem is to South Africa. Now we corner kick. Put it in. No. You have to be smart. You have to design plays. You understand? Watch what these guys do. Watch what these two bayenza. Now he's all alone. Lo ubloke the person now he's all alone. Right? Angithi yimi lo. Ne? Mina, I'm not going to hit the ball. This guy, the player leye bafana. The other one wins the run la. Umbogazi boy two, they are ball watching. Okay, sharp. Sial save. Now watch again. Mkhulume ngani, the players that are free, they are very dangerous because I was free. Angibek ngekho umuntu ongimakile. Ibhola malihamba bese liyabuye. Still akekho umuntu ozongimaka. Now we have 4 players here that are not marking anyone, right? You have Akon marking here. Watch what he does. A proper defender. He recognizes ukuthi there is a striker who is free in front of me. And angithi manje yonke lento le yenzeka quick. You can't tell abantu ukuthi wozomaka la. You have to go and pick now. Goal. What happened is makahamba yomaka laphaya, they played behind him. And you can't blame him. There's no way you can blame him. Because you have players here that are not doing anything. They are just standing here. They are not marking anyone. He's got 3 around him. Why don't you look a move? Yes, it's cut. It's cut. The game is fast. It's not an easy thing to do. But it starts from Uguti. Originally, there was a player that was free. Laba banye why bangabuyeli bayomaka abantu babo? Phakathi inside. Let me take it back. Watch uAkon ukuthi wenzani. Watch what he does. We have a proper defender here. Watch this guy. He goes and blocks. He comes back. He's picking here. He's picking. Then he comes here. That's a proper defender. Unfortunately, ukuthi ibhola balishaya la suka khona. La uthi yoncedisa la balishaya la suka khona. Because abanye bayenzini, they are ball watching. Ball watching. Sleeping on duty. Can't sleep on duty ku national team. You get punished. You get punished, eh? Bafethu, thank you for watching. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.